I spent the night playing the game. What the hell is outside my cabin? On our last full day at Yellowstone, we awoke and went to Hayden Valley to check up on the injured bison. After seeing she was still alive from afar, we went on, waited for the light, and went towards the east entrance. And not too far from it, we spotted this handsome male mule deer. It was a relaxing way to start the day, watching this deer eat a nutritious breakfast as I watched from my car eating Twizzlers. And just up the road from him was, you guessed it, more bison. As the saying goes, what goes in must come out. We had heard this east side of the park was a hot spot for grizzlies, but we couldn't find any. So we drove all the way back up to see if the elk ever came into town. And they had. Those antlers can put a hurting on you and your car, so it is always smart to exercise caution when the elk do come to town. We left these elk to continue my quest to see all the entrances, with the main one just being so close to us. We looked for sheep in this area, but we couldn't find any, so we drove back to Hayden Valley, where a coyote was making sure that we all knew that this was its home. So much of an animal's life revolves around its sense of smell, searching for food, trying to see if a female is in heat, realizing where someone's territory is, all in a sense that we humans have lost to some degree. After a late lunch, we set out for our last drive. And these guys had other plans for us. It's a thing where tourists probably enjoy, but I'm sure the locals grow tired of these jams.
We're getting there. We're slowly getting there. Being from Chicago, I'm kind of used to traffic jams. It's just a bunch of people with orange coats on and traffic cones everywhere, not big animals and poop.
But after a while, my impatient city slicker blood started to kick in.
No split, no cigar. Come on, the big ones are out. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I'm not getting stuck here. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
It's the big one.
I'm not getting stuck by a big one.
We finally drove past the sea of cars waiting to go and went towards where we had seen the black bear the evening before. We stopped for a while to appreciate the scene of these deers in the evening light. So there we were, right back in the Mount Washburn area. And while Puddin talked to a fellow Florida State fan, I spotted something moving across the mountainside. A black bear. Again, it's not award-winning footage, but hey, it's a bear. I was proud to tell others just where I spotted
You can really see him.
He's in like a path, like a clear path.
Yeah.
Right, just look straight down from that little hump.
It's like a black blob.
A raven laughed in joy for me. It was a perfect way to end my time in Yellowstone. The next morning, we got up and out. And on our way back to Salt Lake City, we said goodbye to the Tetons, had a great lunch at Juan's House of Tacos, and enjoyed a raspberry shake. As we took off heading high in the sky, I now had a stronger appreciation for North America's wildlife and the greater Yellowstone area.
Hope you enjoyed this episode of Safari Yellowstone. For more information about these animals, read the description below. As always, thanks for watching.